Okay folks, so real quick, I've got this upright Frigidaire freezer, and earlier this year, back in I think February, the power kept coming on and off because of windstorm, and then my freezer just ultimately stopped working. We caught it in time and was able to put it in a different freezer, but I put it in the shed until I got some time to troubleshoot it, and I finally did. And here's what I found out. When you plug it in, it would not cool down. The light would work, but it would not be cold at all. So, I, of course, not being a Frigidaire person, I decided that I was going to go online and see what I could find. Of course, I went to YouTube. Well, I found several different posts where people had the same exact problem. And so what it came down to is this control panel right here. So what I did is I popped it off, which is really easy. Just get something flat, get behind it, prise right off, pull it straight out, and that's what it looks like. And I put this tape on it just in case after I bought it that it was wrong part, so I wouldn't damage it if I had to take it back out. But I ended up taking this out. It cost me $128. I got it through Amazon. And it took a little while. It was on back order, but it's a plug and play. Just push it back in all the way, and I plugged it back in and it immediately started working again, because before there was no motor sounds or anything, just the light. Well, hopefully this might help you if you have a freezer doing the same thing.